Decorating home with plants is just not a trendy way, but it has many other benefits as well. Hello, plant lovers! Summer's around the corner, and if you're looking for some options to beat the heat and dryness this summer, or you're looking for some decor ideas to add life and color to the room, then I have got some easy tips and ideas to make your place a leafy heaven. Whether you are a green thumb or a newbie, I have got few ideas to decorate your home with greenery. Let's greenify your space. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Keeping big size potted plants at the corner near sofa never goes wrong. But make sure there is a window through which plants can get plenty of sunlight and fresh air. You can choose a variety of plants to get different looks of the same corner, such as Areca palm, Dieffenbachia, fiddle leaf, or Calathea. And yes, adding a floor lamp along with the plant enhances the overall look. Keeping plants in bedroom is highly recommended as it is just not looks pleasing to the eyes but also purifies air, improves mental health and acts as a humidifier especially in summers. But more importantly, adding a snake plant to the bedroom promotes good sleep as this is the only plant that releases oxygen at night, so highly recommended plant to be kept in bedroom as it requires zero maintenance as well. You can create a cozy green reading corner, add a variety of plants with different color foliage to make the space more vibrant. Also add white or sheer curtains for extra light in the corner for plants. You can keep plants in your study room to make the space more lively, but remember always place them in well lit and well ventilated corners only. You can decorate your home with hanging plants like pothos in n number of styles. Like hang them down the stairs with potted plants. You can choose a variety of money plants or heartleaf philodendron as they are very easy to maintain and require indirect sunlight. You can hang potted pothos at different places in your home like entryway area or on curtain rod or even at planks or shelves. They look amazing at any place and instantly brighten up the space. Coming to the last idea, you can keep any hardy plant at any empty corner of your house. Hardy plants like fiddle leaf fig, snake plant, dracaena, philodendron, broken heart plant, etc. You just don't have to find reasons to make your house a power off season zone. And yes, this is me cleaning my plants. If you want to know how to keep your plants shiny and healthy, do check out the link given in the description box. So just create a green oasis inside home this summer and share your thoughts about today's video in the comment section. See you soon and happy gardening!